Welcome to the second part of this Canva tutorial. Now let's discover Canva's editor and learn how to create, design, and customize a template. Now, there are a lot of ways for you to access the templates. You can click it here and then choose from among these thousands of templates, or you can also do that here, okay, on this part also. Now, aside from that is you could actually type here on the search bar the particular type of design that you'd like. Say for example, you're planning to just use Facebook post. So Facebook post and then press enter. Okay, now the results will be displayed here. And another is you could actually do that from a blank document. Okay, so you just have to click this create blank a Facebook create a blank Facebook post. Okay. So welcome to the editor. Okay. So this is the editor of Canva where you can see the templates, the uploads, the photos, elements, text, music, videos, background folders, and even more. Okay. So this is the Canva editor. This is the side panel where you can choose from the tabs and then you can say for example is the templates. You can click on the search bar here and type a particular template that you'd like. Okay, and same goes for the others. Okay, this is where you will find all the elements and all the things you can click or drag and drop to add to your page. Okay, from here. So in the Templates tab, there are thousands of professional designs that you can get started with. And aside from that is the uploads. From here, you can upload your personal media or anything from your computer. It can be images, it can be videos, it can be audio. Okay, so anything that you upload will be placed here and you can access it anytime and you can drag and drop it to your work area. Okay, in the uploads tab. And an example of doing that is this. Okay, say for example, I'd like to upload an image. You can just drag and drop it here. So the example is, say for example, this one, bonsai. Okay, so there you go. There's the picture that I've uploaded, and it is now just wait for it to finish to upload, and then you can click on it, and then it will be placed here on your work area. Okay, so just wait for it to load. There. Okay, you can use it now. Okay, and you may do that also for videos and audio as well. Now, you may also browse millions of premium stock photos from the Canva photo library, and this is it. Okay, you just click on the tab, and then there you go. There's really a lot of photos to choose from, and this is, you can even narrow it down, say, for example, Christmas. So, pictures on Christmas or Christmas trees, okay, or Christmas, yes, Christmas background would do fine also. Background, which is very useful during these times. You can use this to create a card or, okay, so say for example, you'd like to look for something more, say for example, beach, okay? So you can see here pictures of beaches. How about if you'd like to be more specific? And to be more specific, you can add that particular keyword by adding a plus sign after the beach. Say, for example, beach sunsets. So space, plus, and sunset. And the results that will be given to you are beaches with sunset. Now in the Elements tab, okay, this one, you'll find illustrations, animated stickers, shapes, charts, graphics, and even much more. So searching is done exactly the same way. Okay, there is just so much to explore. Next is discover Canva's high quality video library by clicking on the videos tab, this one, with millions of videos at your fingertips. Perfect to get your designs moving. Now to create your first design, or maybe start from scratch or choose a template, click on templates. So from here, you may do some searches also, or you may just opt to just choose from any of these options that is presented to you. Say, for example, I'd like to have this one. So spring flash sale. You can just click on any element here, and any element that you click here, you'll have the properties here above for you to modify. Say, for example, you'd like to change the font. Okay, you have the properties here above, and you can just click on any of this. Okay, um, options, or say, for example, you'd like to change it to Arvo there. Okay, or you can edit it, double click it, or say we have the up to date 12/12 flash sale. There you go. So uh, may it be text or may it be other like clip arts or videos. You just have to click on it, and then the properties for you to change it are will be available above. Now everything is customizable, so all you have to do is just select the object that you want to change. Okay, it's never been easier to express your creativity. Now this is the end of part 2. You may click on part 3 video to continue. Thanks for watching.